Yo, wait, I'm Matson Matthew. It's late in the middle of the night. I think it's 1 o'clock. Um, I just want to share my demonstration of how to draw a quick ancient Marshallese warrior. And I'm gonna start it by doing, I know, kind of like this. And this is how I did my Marshallese one, the one that has been stolen. It goes like this. I'm gonna start it by a circle. And I know you're like, what the hell is he doing? But this is how I do it. So he's a really muscular guy. I'm just gonna do it by the upper body of this good looking Marshallese guy. So this is the stomach. No, I gotta go to sleep. I'm so tired right now. But my wife wanted me to do it. So it's just not gonna complete, body, but at least I show you the way, how did the Indian Marshallese warrior. So that's how it looks. So I'm not done yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this one right here. So you'll be like, okay, let's do it now. It's the ear, facial. There's the eyes, the nose, lips. He's a pretty old Marshallese guy. He may look like a white guy, but who cares? So it's just a quick drawing. So this is how I really always do all my ensembles before I really bring them to life, So yours, I got his abs right here. I wish I got these kind of stuff. Now let's get this started with the sexiest part of this guy. It's the bicep and triceps. So I'm just gonna like do a special. Some of the bars are not gonna be like completed, but let's do the hair. So it's just gonna do a really short cut. So it's just a special, you know. And here you go. And I'll go write my signature right here, you know. Always do my signature.